Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, Beauty and Beyond with Gladies. Myself Dr. Gladies Castellino, skin and hair specialist, came up with the new video, hair care routine, which includes cleansing, conditioner, and serum. Let's talk about each step in detail. 1. Cleansing. A clean scalp is key to healthy hair. If your scalp isn't clean, it can lead to dandruff, hair fall, and other issues. Wash your hair at least twice a week with a mild shampoo. Always dilute shampoo in water, that is 1 part shampoo to 3 parts water, before applying. Rinse thoroughly to remove all product residue, as leftover shampoo can cause irritation. 2. Conditioning. Never skip conditioner. Shampoo opens up the hair's outer layer, making it dry and weak. Conditioner helps seal these gaps, locking in moisture and protecting hair from damage. Apply conditioner only on the lower 2/3 of your hair, not on the scalp. Leave it for 2 to 5 minutes or longer for frizzy hair, maximum 10 minutes, then rinse well. 3. Serum. Hair serums act as a protective shield. They prevent damage from heat styling and some even offer UV protection. Apply serum to damp hair to add shine and reduce frizz. Following these steps will keep your hair smooth, healthy, and strong. Monthly hair booster treatment. Give your hair an extra boost for a stronger, healthier look. Once a month, pamper your hair with treatments like hot oil massage with steam, which nourishes the scalp and improves blood circulation. Hair spa helps deeply hydrates and repairs damaged hair. Professional treatments. Try some recommended brands. L'Oreal Professional. Comes in 2 treatments, hydration and dandruff control, which includes masks and ampules. Wella Professional. Brilliance for all types of hair. Oil reflection for curly hair. And elements for damaged hair. This monthly hair regimen will give extra shine and strength to your hair. Want a tutorial? Drop a comment below. Like, if you felt the video informative. And share it with your friend, who might need it, and comment if you want me to make video on specific topic. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Beauty and Beyond with Gladies, if you don't want to miss any of our video. Thanks for watching.